He's just like licking his paw on you.
Feels weird. I feel so weird.
You're just laying on Sabrina's back, huh, Brucey?
Can I get up, Bruce?
Yeah, Brucey, she's saying she wants to get up. Come on.
It's happening.
Oh, no.
Nom, 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 nom. I'm just gonna eat your face off. Okay, well, hello there. You're getting the third base. At this rate, he's gonna get a home run. Just kidding. Just kidding. Whoa, he's stronger than he looks. Okay. Okay, Bruce, okay. Okay, Bruce. Okay. Okay. He wants to lick my mouth.
Tell me when you want me to stop recording. Chinese, don't. Your nose. Go away. You look so weird in that photo right now. No.
Back to the old grind. Ow, that's really... Ow, so aggressive. You're supposed to caress my boob, not stand on it. Ah, ah.
She's just enjoying it.
I'm just messing around.
Yeah. You still have that picture of when the puppy,
Ow, ow. This really, really hurts.
I know, I'll be like sleeping and he'll do that. He'll just like walk up on top of me and start looking at my face and be like, wake up.
I got pulled. Sure.
Think about you. I'll probably just like lay up on top of you and just like keep on licking your face also.
Are you done?
Want me to stop recording?
Yeah, say goodbye, Bruce.
Say bye bye, Pookie. Speak. No, don't speak actually.
Don't speak.
Yeah, good boy. Don't speak.
Okay, stop it.